Okay. So for the static mixing, determining which head you will want to use and which head you will be cloning, from the head that you're going to originally establish, you will go over to your G code after you've sliced your object and go to around line 21, and you should see a T with a number behind it. So for the positions on the yoke, the first one is T0, this is T1, T2, and T3. So assign that T number to whatever the first head you'll be using. And then for your second head, what you'll do is you'll clone it. So go to your options over here on your head and clone whatever number is in front of the T. So this number does not exactly align to the G code, but this is the number that you will use for cloning your head. So once you've cloned your head with the second one, you're going to flash your head, and then you hold your X and Y and start your mix and print. And make sure you have to make a video, you emphasize that T0, because that's what messing up yourself.